Hi everyone, welcome to Julia TV. So today I'm going to teach you how to take care of your skin for combination to oily skin. So how do you identify whether you have combination to oily skin? You look at your pore size up to here. So if you have combination skin, your skin pores are very visible up to here, and then you tend to have a lot of blackheads here and also here. So that means your T-zone oily and then your skin is dry. So that's what we call combination skin. But if you have oily skin, your pores is up to here and then it's very visible, it means you have oily skin. So normally how you take care of your skin, right? We will use a little bit of the hydration serum, and then on top of that we use something salicylic acid to help to control your oil area and also your pimple area. So just now for me, right, I actually put the Youth Infinity serum to hydrate my skin, but initially I use my softener first, and then after that I use my Youth Infinity serum to hydrate and contour, and then after that for this part and here, because I tend to have clogged pores easily here and blackheads here, I use my acne serum, this one all from Mary Kay. It's a clear proof acne serum, so it helps to control the pores area and kill the germs, and then also kill the germs here and bacteria here to control oil as well when you put on makeup. And then after that, if you can, do exfoliation twice a week. We have all sorts of masks suitable for your skin type. If you're interested to try our skin care, you can let us know. You can just PM me and then I will do a class for you. So next, right, I'm going to do a simple makeup of what I do every day, how you match your outfit. So for me, right, I don't have like a designated orange color I must match with orange top, not really. But if I wear like warm tone color, I'll wear a warm tone makeup. So if you're interested to know more about how to analyze whether your body your color tone is warm tone or cool tone, and then what sort of eyeshadow color is suitable for you, and then how to draw your brows, how to draw the eyeliner, actually we can teach you that as well. And also if you are interested to certify yourself as a SkillsFuture makeup artist workshop, we also have it. So I will write the link below this video. So if you're interested to attend the SkillsFuture classes and interested to certify yourself as a makeup artist, drop me a line at this video as well. So we'll teach you how to do that. So today I'm going to just do a simple preview of what you're going to learn at the SkillsFuture class. So we're going to do this, I'm going to put this eye primer. So eye primer is a mask to prime your eye makeup, make it long lasting. Okay, and then after that, right, I will use my eyeshadow color. So for me, I will use the orange color. Today, because I wear bright orange, right, so I use a orange shine, bright colors. And then I use my highlighter. I like to use Huda palette today, so I'm going to use this gold. I also like to do highlighting in the front as well. And then I am going to put my eyeliner. Okay, I like my highlighter, so I'm going to put my highlighter as well. And then I'm going to put my eyeliner. The trick is, right, if you tend to, the moment you open your eyes, right, your eyeliner tend to stick, there's some color stick to the lids, right, you use a pencil eyeliner. Okay, and then at the end, right, you apply using liquid liner for the tail. Okay, and then I like to smudge it. Okay, by doing this makeup, I'm actually doing a bit of contouring to make my eyes look bigger. And then I love this eyeliner from Fenty. This is my favorite. It helps to make your eye makeup much more long lasting. And it's easy to use. You just want to make sure it's equal. It's okay to make mistake, you know, and then just change it. So during the class, we will teach you how to do your makeup. So we also teach on bridal makeup. So if you're interested to learn how to do your bridal makeup, you can actually let us know. Ta-da! Done. Yeah, I love this. This is waterproof, so even if you tear, it actually makes it long lasting. And then I love to highlight my skin. I'm a favorite fan of Fenty, so I like to use the diamond. And even this latest girl next door kind of makeup, because right now pink highlighter is very in. You can actually use it as a blusher also. Ta-da! And then I'm done. Usually if I have bright eyes, I usually don't put much makeup on cheeks area. So next I'm gonna put my lipsticks. So you can actually choose a brighter color for if you're wearing an orange top. So today I'm going to use red color lipstick. Let a bit of lip balm before I put on my lipstick. So sometimes I would cheat by putting a bit of powder, so the lipstick is much more defined. You can put your foundation if you want to. Ta-da! So this is how I do it. And then if I'm in a hurry, I will skip my mascara. So in this class, in the SkillsFuture class, we also teach you on how to choose the right foundation type for your skin tone, for your skin color, and then we also teach you on how to draw your brows, how to draw your eyeliner, because different people have different eyes, so we teach you how to draw different things. And then if you're interested to learn how to do, how to take care of your customers, what kind of color to advise them, or it's inside the SkillsFuture class, we also teach you on how to analyze color analysis, and then also what kind of eyeshadow color to pick for your customers. We also teach you on how to answer your customer, how to ask your customers on some questions. So if you're interested to learn how to be a makeup artist, just email us your queries, your name, your mobile number, and your email address, and we will get back to you soon. Alright, so next, lastly, to make your makeup much more long lasting, I'm going to use a makeup finishing spray. So I love to use makeup spray because it makes my makeup much more long lasting, and especially for our climate here. Alright, so I'm done with the makeup. So if you like our video, please subscribe, hit the like button and subscribe and share my video, and then we will get back to you on the SkillsFuture classes. If you're interested to know more, I will do the link at below. And then thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.